Hello, look at how this advertiser is making money online. So you look at this, what is this product? Like I always told you guys, there's no reason why you are not making money in 2024. Why you can pick any product that you know is useful to people and simply sell it. You can see how this advertiser picked a Chinese product that is 3-in-1, like you can see from the campaign. This is sponsored ad, like you can see, and this is the headline. What is the headline? Cleaning made easy with 3-in-1 cleaning product, magic sweeper plus easy spray mode and silicone toilet brush. So these are the 3 Chinese products. That is why I say there is a lot of product, thousands to millions of products out there that, see, if Remas sang many songs before he said baby calm down before he blew, that's how you're going to be picking different products that you see, that especially product that ladies will like. If not, number one product you run ad for did not work and you run the ad professionally, and you know what running ad professionally actually means. If you don't know, you have to go and learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ad professionally. Like I say, join the Telegram link on this video. Is completely free. I've made everything, how to test your ad, your campaign, you have to assign budget to different assets so that you know the asset and the video that is working best, all those things. This video is not for that. Okay, join the School of Art Telegram channel and start learning yourself. If you have questions, you can ask there. Everything is free for you. So guys, if you can set up campaign professional for this, I don't see why you will not sell it. Let's assume you didn't sell the ad after testing different assets, different video, different audiences. Let's say it did not work. If you actually know what you are doing, setting up Facebook and Instagram, and let's say it did not work, you pick another product. Just like a musician will sing a song and it did not blow, he will still sing. You understand? Till you meet a product that is working. But know how to actually run profitably, testing different assets, different ad copy, different images, different video, different audiences, different budget, before you now conclude that okay, it's not working with any of these test samples. Okay, so now there are numerous products like this. So this person, let's see if this person is actually selling. Okay, let's see if this person is actually selling. So let's go to the comment. The comment is 83. So for you to now start this business just like this person, solution engineering team, it's not difficult. All you need to do, if you know you like this ad, comment on it, go to your search, go to Facebook, search for same product, then like it, so that Facebook will keep showing you more of similar campaign that are selling this product. You'll be spying on them. So I always told you, get like 3 campaigns that are selling same product, the best one with the best engagement. Look at the video they use, look at the ad copy they use. I mean here, look at the campaign headline and video they use. So once you have the best 3 with the best engagement, you know that those campaigns are working for that same product. Just model, do the type of video, copy or model the type of headline, copy or model the type of ad copy. So once you have it, go and make your similar video using CapCut video editor. If you don't know how to edit, like I say, go to my YouTube channel at Opportunities Niche, search for playlist called video, mobile video editing, learn from there. Okay, so learn how to edit video with just using your mobile phone, CapCut. So the next thing is for you to now go to GG. Actually, just go to GG, search this product. You see a lot of vendors selling this product. Just like I say, write a message to them that okay, you want this product. If they say the last price is actually maybe like 10K, tell them that you are a digital marketer, you want to run ad for this product for them massively. They should give you a discount. They'll give you a discount of 5,000 naira to 3,000 naira. Add your own money on top and start running this sponsored ad just like these people. Okay, there are numerous products out there. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification to our channel, as I'm going to be bringing you more products you can easily pick and sell online without stepping out from your room. See you in the next video.